Hello, my name is Ariel Rader, and today I will be talking with you about why a resume is important and the anatomy of a good resume. So, why is a resume important? Resumes are valuable to job seekers because it is an opportunity to market their strengths. A well-structured resume clearly highlights your most attractive skills and experience to potential employers. It is vital to incorporate your most recent skills and experience into your resume to assist prospective employers in choosing you as the best candidate for the job. Employers often have large amounts of applicants that they need to consider for a job opening. It is not often that they will have the ability to interview everyone that applies. A resume helps employers make hiring decisions, and a good resume will grab the employer's attention quickly and make them want to know more about you. Resumes also help employers match you to the position advertised. Even if you do not meet all of the specific criteria an employer is looking for, your resume may communicate that you are still a good fit for the job. Your resume is the first point of contact with a recruiter. A well-written resume can lead to an interview and sets the tone for how that interview will go. So what makes a good resume? Most employers do not have a lot of time to sit and read every single resume that comes across their desk. Usually, they make snap decisions on if they will interview a candidate based on the look of their resume. Deciding what a good or bad resume is ultimately depends on who is looking at them. Everyone has different qualities they like and don't like in a resume's format or overall design. So what makes a good resume? To understand what works best, we must first look at an example of what makes a poor resume design. A subpar resume design is often cluttered, too long or too short, has sloppy formatting, spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, or is just plain ugly. Other than the layout of your resume, what can make for a poor resume is the content it contains. Resumes containing inaccurate information, like sketchy job dates or old contact information, and containing lies and half-truths, are all terrible ideas. A red flag on a resume would be information similar to fired from the previous job because of internal policy issues. Information that is too ambiguous, uses a passive tone of voice, has a vague objective, or includes too much information are also things that can make up a poor resume. Now let's break down the anatomy of a good resume. First, the overall design of your resume matters. Good resumes have ample white space, margins of at least 0.7 inches, a font size of 11 point or larger, and no longer than 1 to 2 pages. Second, the header space should be clean, easy to read, and contain good contact information to make it easy for prospective employers to reach out to you. Third, it is essential to highlight your skills and let recruiters know quickly why you are a good fit for the job. Next, we'll look at the experience section. Your work experience should always be listed in the order of name of employer, your position title, the dates you worked there, and brief bullet points that list your top responsibilities and accomplishments. All other information is irrelevant. Education should be kept short with your highest earning degree recorded. Listing your GPA is optional. However, if you recently graduated with high remarks, it may be beneficial. References are not required. However, if you do choose to list them, they should be limited to 3 and do not include family members. Next, we will hear from Yesenia Estrada on work experience and skills.